Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Mastering Chords, powered by BandLab. Today we are going to be taking a look at Adele's Rolling in the Deep. It sounds a little something like this. But you play me to the beat. All right, let's take a look at this chord progression. So you guys can follow along. There's a link below. Soon it's going to bring you to Khordmaster.com where this information is all going to be at. But for now, in the interim, just because I really wanted to start getting these videos out to you, you can click this Google Sheet and it has access to every, the current one, of course, and then every previous one. So today we're looking at number 3, mastering chord number 3. And yeah, so we start with C minor, okay, to G minor first inversion. Then it goes to the B flat in root, and then back to the G minor in first inversion. So it just bounces back and forth. Then again, nope. Then the pre-chorus goes to this A flat major in root, to B flat major in root, to G minor first inversion, back to A flat major in root, and then again A flat major in root, to B flat major in root. Then we do G minor, but I play this in root, and then G dominant 7 in root, then back to the beginning, which is C minor in root. Then we go to B flat major in root, then A flat major in root for 2 counts, then back up to B flat major in root, then C minor, root, B minor, B flat major in root rather, A flat major in root. All right, that's the end of the chord progression. So check out BandLab if you guys are interested in checking out some of the cool stuff they have in terms of making music in a web-based browser and app on your Android or Apple device, or your even, just wherever you compute, you have access to be able to make music, and it's a really cool platform. And I have a chord pack on there that you could check out if you wanted to, and make some music from that. All right, see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching, and have a great rest of your day.